Well, I was paying exorbitant prices for all this lights and stuff on my property, over $420 a month. And so I went online and started looking at companies, found Solar Bear, picked you guys. Christian came out, super cool guy, totally made me feel comfortable and explained everything perfectly. Prompt, courteous, even during the coronavirus happening, there was minor delays and everything was up and running much quicker than I thought. I knew that I wanted to go solar, and so I went online and started looking at reviews. When I got the Solar Bear, it also had the Tesla battery, which separated it from a lot of them. Here, everybody was totally prompt, courteous, professional, nice. Made any questions I had quickly answered. Everybody was knowledgeable. You, Mr. Will Garcia, great at the exit strategy and making sure that everything is done for me at the very end of it. So all throughout, everything, I have no complaints. I would say A+, 5 stars.